What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We came back out to this job here that we did on the river. See it right down there. Wish I could zoom in, but can't. But yeah, so we got this nice patio built. Grace light. Now we're carving out this other area. We're gonna put another boulder wall down there. We got all this boulder wall built. This is from the prior video that we did. Got all the landscape. Freaking weather here, I tell you what. Just back to snow. Dude, Michigan's got Tourette's. Like, sorry for people that got Tourette's. Like, not make fun of you or whatever. But it doesn't know what it wants to do here. Let's get warm. We got stuff to do. But smash the like button, subscribe. Let's go. What's up, guys? Quick little check-in here. So we got the sub base all done. Hop down in here. So what we're gonna do is we want the top of the boulders to sit right here at the top, like the bottom of that block. So we're gonna come in, do one block here. We're gonna pop it down. Then we got 2 rows. Do it that way. So we got the sub base all cut out. And base over. We're gonna spread all that out. Compactor. Let's go. Boulders. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We appreciate you as always. If you haven't yet, hit the like button, subscribe, share, hit the super thanks, donate, whatever you can. We appreciate it. It helps us grow our channel and continue to create videos like this. So yeah, as you heard earlier, we're just doing this awesome retaining wall. We already did one whole section here, and we're just extending it and doing another course down below. We're using 1 to 2 foot boulders, and yeah, right now we're just getting the base all cut out and getting the height and everything where we want all of our boulders to sit, and then we're gonna put in some crushed concrete, pack that down a bit, and then start setting our boulders. Let's get to her. Check back in a bit. So right now we're just setting in our first course of boulders here, and we're going to be doing 2 courses on this one. We did, like I said earlier, some good 21 AA crushed concrete. This job's pretty cool. Nice view of the river down there, hillside. You can see we did the patio and stuff. You'll see that in a different video, and then at the end of this video you'll see a complete walk around of the job that we did and all the little extra landscaping stuff that we added into this job. This one was super fun. We had 3 guys on it to bust it out, and ended up working really well. And yeah, we appreciate it as always. Keep watching, find out more. So as you can see, we used some really nice 3/4 inch crushed drainage stone for this one. Seeing as how it's on a hillside like this, we want to get the correct drainage. We don't want anything given out or anything, so we use the drainage stone all the way up the backside of these boulders on both courses, and then we're filling this in. So the area we're actually building this on, we're actually going to do another paver patio. And then in between the boulders and the paver patio, we're going to do about a 2-foot section of just stone, so that way it protects the patio a little bit and you don't have anything that settles and stuff. It's just kind of going to be like a sitting area so they can sit and look at the river or nature or whatever they want. And yeah, if you're just getting into doing some of this hardscaping stuff, these river rock boulders, natural stone boulders, whatever you want to call them, they're super easy to do and they're fun to do, and you can kind of customize your design and pattern on how you want to set them and stuff. So they're definitely jobs I'd recommend. Just call your local gravel pits, get pricing on what they charge per ton on the boulders, and then various on the size, measure like the length and the width and the height that you'll need for your project, and factor in how many boulders you think you're going to need and like how many boulders you get per ton. Just depends. And yeah, they're pretty easy to bid, and they're definitely very profitable jobs if you do them right. So yeah, like always, smash that like button. Don't forget to check out our merch store, Work Hard. New merch dropped, and yeah, give us some feedback on what you think of everything. And if you got any more questions, hit us in the comments and we'll take care of you. Appreciate you as always.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want a ring. Yeah, we all want